On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we will cover mutable and immutable in Python. We will explain the differences between mutable and immutable with sample code, focusing on Python data types. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Mutable and immutable refer to the mutability of an object. Understanding this helps in avoiding unexpected bugs and efficient memory management. Mutable objects can have their internal state changed after creation. Common mutable data types include list, dict, and user-defined classes. Let's look at an example of modifying a list. A list is a mutable object, and its elements can be freely modified. Immutable objects cannot be changed once they are created. Attempting to modify them results in the creation of a new object. Common immutable data types include int and str. Let's look at modifying a string. Strings are immutable, so you cannot modify them partially. As you can see from this example, mutable objects are shared by reference, so they can affect other variables. On the other hand, immutable objects create new instances upon reassignment, leaving the original value unaffected. In Python, you can use the id function to check an object's ID. The object ID is similar to a memory address. As shown, a new object is created for immutable types, while mutable types are modified in place. When passing a mutable object to a function, the original data may be modified. Let's look at an example of a function that modifies a list. As shown, the original list passed to the function has been modified. On the other hand, attempting to modify an immutable object results in a new object being created. Let's look at an example of a function that modifies a number. As shown, the original number passed to the function remains unchanged. Let's look at a case where a mutable object is used as a default argument. Since default arguments are evaluated only once at function definition, using mutable objects can lead to unexpected side effects. In the first example, the same list object is used every time add_item is called. When calling add_item 2 the second time, the previously added 1 is still in the list, resulting in 1, 2. In the improved example, none is used as the default value, and a new list is created inside the function if the argument is none. This ensures that a new list is created each time the function is called, so previous results do not affect subsequent calls. Avoid using mutable objects like lists or dictionaries as default arguments. Instead, use none and initialize them inside the function. This is a fundamental and important best practice in Python. To deeply understand Python's variables and data types, it's crucial to grasp the differences between mutable and immutable. Understanding these characteristics helps you avoid unintended behavior in your code and write more robust and readable programs. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed the content of this channel, please consider subscribing.